Nike's strong numbers also giving its competitors a boost.
Yeah, Nike's big rally after hours pulled rivals such as Foot Locker, Under Armour, and Skechers, even Lululemon along for the ride. Investors really wanted to see Nike shake off the pandemic blues. You'll recall last quarter it had a surprise loss and a dire outlook. And the world's biggest athletic wear maker did not disappoint. It really blew away expectations. If you look at online sales, they jumped 82%. Its quarterly revenue beat estimates by an eye-popping $1.5 billion. Growth in China and better margins helped return it to profitability. And the CEO said on the conference call, no one can match our pace of pumping out new products, which the company felt really kept up despite disruptions from all the pandemic-related shutdowns. On the conference call, Nike executives also said they see improvement in full-price sales in the second half of the fiscal year. They expect gross margins to be flat and fiscal year 21 revenue to be up in the high single to low double digits. Heidi?
And so China was really the bright spot and the biggest driver in that recovery story.
Yeah, it really was. And you have to realize that China is much farther along in its recovery from the pandemic than the U.S. is. And that was reflected clearly in the sales. China also was quicker to come out of lockdown, and the country is encouraging citizens to exercise more. That is just a boon for sportswear. China sales were up 6% for the quarter. That compares with a decline in North America, whereas, you know, lockdowns vary state by state, and overall, North American sales were down 2%. Also in the U.S., we've got the lack of sporting events that's hurt demand for team-related apparel. There's also a big excess in inventory. And it's important to point out that while Nike's overall sales did not grow, slipping 1% from a year earlier, they were far, far better than anyone expected.